Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install a good looking graphics mod without losing any FPS in FiveM. So let's get started. First of all, go to the link in the description and you will see this link. Click on this best visual graphics mod. Right click on this, go to this download button and your download will start. To extract this file you will need 𝓕𝓸𝓸. I will leave a link in the description for 𝓕𝓸𝓸. You can download it from there. After you extract the file, then you will find a folder called best visual graphics mod. Go to that folder and you will see these two folders. Copy this common folder. Now go to your FiveM file location, FiveM application data. Then go to citizen folder and paste the common folder here. Next, copy the textures folder from this visual graphics mod, paste it in common data and paste it here. As you can see, I already have done it. Now go to this levels folder, then GTA 5, weather, and delete everything except these ground files. Go to your RP server, then go to settings, then display and max your brightness. That's all you have to do. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have fun, take care, peace.